Watch it, man. Power steering hose. Throttle body pulley. This harness is no good, so we're gonna go. Pulling all these injectors. All right, since we're having. That's exactly why. This right here is why you always run an air filter. It doesn't matter what kind of air filter you have, just put an air filter on your car. Excuse my language. This is so bad. Let me show you guys this. All right, so this is the inside of the intake manifold after the owner of this motor car, whatever you want to say, did not have an intake filter. I don't know how long they drove like that for, but it was obviously long enough to bore out cylinder 2 and lose compression. So, I don't know. It's all bad. It's gonna make a great table, cheater bar, or whatever you want to call it. On this motor's blown, so it doesn't matter. All right, some people use a puller tool. Okay, look. This is $1,000 coffee table, and don't disrespect it, all right? Yeah, that's how we remove the water pump. Yeah, position sensor replaced. Good enough grip. And that's how you remove crankshaft. I was not fucking ready, bro. I wasn't ready. Anyways, that's how we got that up. Let me see. So it's not. Here we go. And now it has feet, I guess, and they stick up higher than this. All right, guys, this is the finished product. I went ahead and removed the crankshaft and all the accessories, the oil pump, all that crap off camera. I did leave the pistons and rods inside the motor as I didn't take the head off, and you have to take them out to the top. This is the finished product, though. This is what she's looking like. This is how it's gonna sit in the living room. I'm happy with how it came out. I think it looks awesome. I'm gonna get a piece of glass for it and call it a day. So this is the next project.